Your processes, your data. Now, transformed into intelligent skills your AI can act on. Project data is annotated with Ramblr's automated pipelines. Review the annotated activities needed for process understanding. Then check the contextual annotations used in fine-tuning and evaluating VLMs. Create training and validation datasets to generate grounded instructions. The grounded instruction sets enable process understanding, spatial awareness, and domain knowledge. Model training configurations are created, triggering training using the generated instruction sets. The completed trainings are referenced within the Ramblr model registry and used to create the agent skills. Simulate and test skills with your recorded video directly in the UI. Ask general or process-specific questions to evaluate your AI agent's knowledge and reasoning abilities. Test and validate observations. Simulate real-time visual understanding and inspect the feedback to be sent to the front end. Build skills once, deploy everywhere. That's the power of Ramblr.